Imagine a drive that's not just built for today's automation, but engineered for the challenges of tomorrow. This is the Danfoss iC7-Automation, the intelligent drive that redefines what's possible in modern machine control. Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Aitana Fonseca, and today I will show you why iC7-Automation. High torque, minimal space. With best-in-class heat management, the iC7-Automation delivers unmatched performance, even in the tightest environments. It's more than a drive, it's the smartest sensor. Advanced internal sensors and processing power enable real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and intelligent control. Security built in. With a crypto chip, secure boot, and a SIL3 STO, the iC7-Automation is secure by design, ready for industrial networks and future regulations. Industry 4.0 isn't coming, it's here. Dual Ethernet, real-time protocols, and OPC UA certification make the iC7-Automation a seamless part of your digital ecosystem. Set up in minutes. With MyDrive Insight, configuration, monitoring, and optimization are faster than ever, reducing downtime and engineering effort. Built on Danfoss strengths: motor and PLC independence, strong EMC performance, high ambient temperature tolerance up to 60 Celsius degrees, and resilient back-channel cooling. For quick and trouble-free system integration, the iC7-Automation comes with a built-in EMC and harmonic filters, ensuring clean power quality and smooth commissioning. Model-based design means every iC7-Automation can be integrated into your simulation environment, saving time, training, and development costs. Logic goes beyond parameters. Graphical logic blocks make control more powerful and user-friendly than ever. Customized error screens, Modbus registers, and event text, with even more flexibility coming soon. The iC7-Automation is more than just a frequency converter. It's a smart foundation for the future of automation. From safety and performance to digital integration, every aspect is designed for maximum efficiency and flexibility. And the best part? In our video series, we will take a closer look at each individual feature and benefit, so you can fully understand how to unlock the iC7-Automation's full potential. Stay tuned and discover how the iC7-Automation can take your application to the next level. Thanks for watching.